Okay, this is going to be a quick recap on the permanent magnet generator off the crank sensor. The most important thing I want you to understand about a crank sensor, that's your most important signal. Okay, that's your most important signal. If I lose this signal into this control module or the PCM, this car doesn't start. As this crank sensor and this reluctor rotates, past this magnet and produces an AC signal. In this case, a 2-wire sensor is a permanent magnet generator, right? AC signal. If that signal is lost from this crank sensor, this car does not start. And that signal goes into either to a module or the PCM, and needs that signal to get the car started for fuel pump operation, spark control, or spark, or an injector pulse width. If I lose that signal, I lose all three, the car doesn't start.